What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. So as y'all can see, I finally got my parts from Corsa. I'm going to go ahead and do this unboxing video so y'all can see exactly what I got, what parts, everything that I got from Corsa. Y'all are going to see it for the first time just like me. Now before we go ahead and open this box up, I want to show y'all something real quick. So if you've been keeping up with me on my Instagram, then you will know that I changed my caliper colors. I originally had yellow on my calipers, but I switched them to white on all four sides. Okay, so I used G2 paint kit to paint my brake calipers. I did get them powder coated a while back. I got them powder coated yellow, but I didn't like how it turned out. So after all these months, I finally changed the color and I used G2 paint kit. Now I want to mention real quick, now if y'all decide to go with G2, make sure that y'all order directly from their website instead of Amazon, because I got a batch that I ordered off of Amazon and it didn't stick like how it was supposed to. I feel like it was missing some of the paint. All the paint wasn't inside the jar, so I went ahead and ordered another batch off of G2 website and everything was in there. You know, the paint was filled just how it's supposed to be, and I went ahead and decided to paint my brake calipers and it turned out perfect. Now before I go ahead and put my tires back on, I do have to put my Brembo stickers on my calipers. So I just got them in from RG Decals. I went ahead and ordered some stickers off of Amazon so I can put them on my calipers. So I'm gonna do that real quick, put them on all four brake calipers, and then we can do the unboxing video. So let's do it. Alright, so now that I got the stickers on the calipers, next thing I have to do is put my tires back on my car. So real quick, I know what y'all thinking. Why change the color of your calipers from yellow to white? Well, as you know, the theme of my car is red, white, and black. So the white, I think, will go perfect with the color of my car. And I know that it may get dirty and stuff like that, and it's easy to spot dirt on it because it's white. But one thing that I have to do, and I need to make sure I do this as soon as possible, I gotta make sure I change my brake pads to ceramic brake pads so I don't get as much dirt and brake dust and stuff like that on the calipers. So that is the plan. I'm going to change my brake pads from the regular ones that come with the Camaro to the ceramic brake pads that I can get off of, you know, different websites. So I'm gonna make sure I do that as soon as possible because I don't want to have my calipers real dirty. So let's go ahead and put the wheels back on the car and do the unboxing video. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Again, this is my very first time opening this box. I'm seeing this for the first time just like y'all are in person. So let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, so before I go ahead and open this up, comment down below on what y'all think is in this box right here. I got two different boxes. I want to see what y'all think before I open them up on what's inside these boxes. Let me go ahead and move the camera so y'all can get a better view. Let's do it. Alright, so we have a Corsa Performance decal. I don't know how good this camera picking it up, but this is it, the Corsa Performance sticker. And next we have a Corsa Performance instruction booklet right here. If you want to know how to install the exhaust, you'll definitely want to use this pamphlet right here. Alright, here we go. Yes, sir. Alright, so here go the axle back portion of the exhaust. Damn, this look a lot better in person. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I got the black tips. I don't really see too many Camaros with the black tips, so I think it's different. I like how it look. Once I take this plastic coating off, I can be able to get a better look at it, but so far, so good. Yeah, this is nice, man. This is nice. I'm loving this right here. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I can't wait to put this on the car, man. I cannot wait. All right, so first box. And here we have the clamps. I'm not even gonna open it up right now, but you gotta have these clamps in order to put the exhaust on your car. Without it, it's not gonna work. So these are the clamps right here. I don't think nothing else is in the box. Oh, we do got something else in the box. Let's go ahead, keep looking. Put this back first. All right, so let's see what else we got in here. All right, so basically, this is a part of the axle back for Corsa exhaust. So basically what you do is, connect the tips of the exhaust to one side and the other end connects to the rest of the exhaust. So that's what these two parts are for right here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, well first let me double check again to make sure nothing else under here. All right, so that's the first box. So this is the axle back. Again, just to go over it again, this is the axle back part of the exhaust in this box right here. So before I go ahead and put everything back in, I'm gonna take the plastic off of the tips right here so I can get a better look at it. I'm only gonna do it on one set of tips. I'm not gonna do it on the other one. So I'm gonna take this off right here so we can get a better look at it. Matter of fact, I'll just take it off this one so we can get a better look at it. So, man, I don't know what type of material or product that they use for the tips on this exhaust, but I'm telling you, man, it's crazy how good of a finish this is on the exhaust. Look at this. Look at this. You can already see my fingertips on it. So what I'm thinking about doing is ceramic coating the tips of the exhaust just on the black tip right here. So that way, anytime it rains or any dirt or anything like that get on the tips, it'll come right off. It'll wash off easy and it doesn't stain the tips of the exhaust. So I think that I'm gonna do that. I don't know when, but I definitely need to go ahead and do that. And I think it'll save me time in the future on you know, cleaning my tips on my exhaust. But yeah, man, this is crazy, man. I'm really loving these tips, man. I like how this look. Look at this, man. Just look at this. Look how good this looks. I wish y'all can see this in person, man. I've seen a lot of Corsa exhausts on people's cars with the regular tips, not the black one. I'm definitely glad that I went with black. All right, so now that we got the second box on top, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's on the inside. So what do y'all think is gonna be in this box right here? Is it headers? Is it, well, it can't be an intake. This box too big. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. All right, so now that we got that done, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here we go. So if you know about exhaust and anything like that, then already you would know by this top part, by these two pieces right here, you would know that this is not headers, all right? What this is in this second box is the rest of the exhaust for the full catback exhaust by Corsa Performance. So basically, I don't have headers. The only thing that I ordered from Corsa is the catback exhaust with a double X pipe. So in this part of the box right here is the double X pipe that connects to the axle back exhaust. All right, so I'm not gonna go all the way into the bottom. Where I am, I'm gonna just double check to make sure everything's in here. But this is the dual rear exit catback exhaust system with 4-inch tips. So those tips that you seen just a minute ago are the 4-inch tips, and this is the 2.75-inch catback that connects to the axle back. I ordered this catback system on Saturday, so today is Thursday. So basically it took them, I'm not counting the weekend, basically it took them 3 to 4 days to send this out, which is not bad at all. I got it pretty quick and I'm happy with it so far. I like how everything looks. Nothing looks too bent. Like you can even see right here, it's smooth, it's real smooth. There's no sharp edges or anything like that. I can run my finger across it without worrying about my fingers getting cut, you know. So it's like that on everything that I checked so far. So they did a good job and I'm impressed with it so far. All right, so I don't have to take the rest of the stuff out. You can see it right here. You can get a good look at it. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Basically what that is a part of the catback system. There's more pipes that make up the whole system. I can lift it up and I can check to see how smooth the surface is on them. Again, I think they did a good job, man. I can't wait to put this on my car. And let's just go over everything one more time. Basically, this is the Corsa catback system with the 4-inch tips, okay? I got it in gloss black. It looks great. And I can't wait to put this on my car. Like I said, it's the full catback system, not just the axle back. I had to go ahead and go with the whole catback system. So like I said again, I can't wait to put this on my car, and I'm actually going to go up to the shop and put it on a car this weekend, maybe Saturday or Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and put that on a car. So let's just get a good look at my wheels one more time. These are the last time you're going to see these wheels right here. The very last time, man. That white looks that white look crazy on the wheels, man. I'm loving how they look, man. I can't wait to see how they look with my new wheels on the car. Again, I'm gonna put those wheels on my car and install my exhaust system on my next video. So let's just do a quick walk around. Yeah, I'm loving that, man. I love this car. Love it. Alright, so thanks again for tuning in to this unboxing video. While you're here, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like this video, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I drop a video. I'm going to leave my social media information in the link below. And like I say every single time on every single video, I'll see you next time.